Today we'll be putting a real brake pedal on Suzuki King Quad. I bought this four-wheeler. I've been looking for one. Finally found one on eBay. We're gonna take the clip out of here. Say that too, put that to the side. Look at the brake pedal right here. Brake. Got the spring. Already got the other spring on here. 10mm bolts. Put a little grease on the pin with slides in there. A little bit more, just make sure it's good. Go ahead and slide that bad boy in there like that. Put that spring up in just a minute. A little bit of grease on this pin. This pin hooks right into the brake pedal. If I can get that bad boy in there. There we go. She in there. Put the quarter pin back in the back. Might need to find my other light. Light to do that right there. Using those pliers. Put this rear spring right there. Hook this spring to the top. Bolt through. Wash on first, bolt on next. Like that. $10mm ratchet, 10mm socket. Let's see what we got here. I'll tighten this bad boy up. Uh-oh. Make sure she's snug. Boom. There we go. She's working. Alright, get my light. Put the old quarter pin in. See, can we find the old jiffy light here? Yes, sir. Here we go. Put the old light here. Turn the wheel. See, can we find the hole here? There we go. Quarter pin go on the back side. She in. She works pretty good now. Bring y'all a little closer to see what they got going on here. Got the brake, got the spring, top spring, bolt in. Focus, baby. Quarter pin on the back. That's the adjusting screw. Other thing. A few more other things I'm gonna do to here. I'm gonna put a winch right here. I'm gonna put a winch plate right here on the front side. The winch plate and the winch. I got a few more other things to do to it. I already rebuilt the engine on it. The engine run pretty good there. Went on a few bolts, a few odds and ends. Put it back together. Got the battery charger. This is a Suzuki. This is a 2007 Suzuki King Quad. It's a few other things I gotta do other than that. She runs pretty good. I need to get some new tires for her. Waiting on some clamps and stuff to come. Put back in. Other than that, She should run pretty good once I get all back up and running. I want to put a snorkel kit on it. Do anybody know anything about a snorkel kit for this year, 2007, 450 King Quad? See, I need this brake. Brake works pretty good. Just see, I need to get some bolts. What size bolts fits this? Put it down in the comments. Fits the diff. I don't know too much about these things, but I'm starting to work on them. And I also got a 2008 Brute Force 650 that I'm gonna redo the engine on it. I think the top end need to be redone, but other than that, everything else should be good to go on it. Clean it up a little bit. If you started like my channel, just subscribe to me. I do a lot of odds and ends things. I like to fix stuff. Thank y'all.